Africa, Europe, South America.
France, Japan, Brazil, Texas,
Sicily, Bermuda, Tasmania.
Cairo, New York, Bangkok,
Everest, Etna, Kilimanjaro. The Czech Republic, the United Kingdom, or the UK.
the Dominican Republic, the United States of America, or the USA.
Have you been to Canada or the United States?
Mr. Johnson, Dr. Johnson, Captain Johnson, President Johnson, Uncle Robert, St. Catherine, Princess Maria.
We called the doctor.
We called Dr. Johnson.
Mount Everest, Mount Etna, Lake Superior, Lake Victoria.
They live near the lake.
They live near Lake Superior.
The Atlantic, the Red Sea, the Amazon,
The Indian Ocean, the Channel, the Nile.
the Mediterranean, the Suez Canal,
The Sahara.
The Gobi Desert.
The highest mountain in the Andes is
The Taylors, the Johnsons.
the Netherlands, the Philippines, the United States,
The Canaries, or the Canary Islands, the Bahamas.
the Rocky Mountains, or the Rockies, the Andes, the Alps.
Sweden is in Northern Europe. Spain is in the south.